Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to talk about Coingecko. Coingecko is our go-to platform when first researching tokens and looking up tokens. And it's basically the crypto data aggregator and our kind of crypto Google that we're going to use in frequency. On the top right you can see the search function where you can input any type of cryptocurrency from Zcash, which is privacy, to Bitcoin or smaller projects like Dreams. When you look at the project, you will see its market cap and other data points like current price. You will see the price chart, different time frames, like in the overview section, in the market section, you will see where it is possible to trade this token on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and centralized exchanges. You can also support Coingecko, as you can see. Then for other data points, you can see its market cap, its fully diluted valuation, 24-hour volume, circulating supply, total supply, and maximum supply. All these terminologies are explained in our crypto lexicon. So check out Telegram channel Crypto Lexicon if you don't know what it is, or use ChatGPT, whatever you want. Then you can see the contract if you want to copy and paste the contract in TitanSwap to swap from Solana or USDC into Dreams, or from Dreams into Solana and USDC. Then you see the website, dreams.fun, on which Explorer you can find it, the community on X and Telegram. You can search it, and basically in the bottom, also interesting, is in which ecosystem it's in. So it's in the Solana ecosystem. It's also on Base and Starknet. So which chains, and categories, it's an AI project and at the same time an AI framework. Very interesting. And this you can do for a lot of projects, like for example Bio. Right, Bio is very interesting. You can use Bio and see the exact same data. And Bio, for example, is in a different category. It's in the decentralized science category. Going back to the main page, we will be using Coingecko for its search functionality, for its portfolio functionality, where we can star certain projects, good projects, in our portfolio so we can get an easier look at them. We will use it to just get a general overview of the crypto markets, just to basically go for Coingecko, and then in a glimpse you can see, okay, Bitcoin is doing fine or not that fine in this case. Ethereum, the market is down a little bit, Ethereum is down a little bit, BNB, blah blah, and we can basically see 24-hour volume, market cap, 1, 24 and 7-day performance priced right now, and we have a chart on the right side. So it's very, very convenient to get a short and concise overview of the markets. In addition, we're going to use categories. Categories are a very, very interesting place to be, because as you will later understand, we will act upon certain theses. So we will set up a thesis. For example, we believe that in the future decentralized science will do very well. Or we believe that crypto X robotics is going to do very, very, very well. So what you can do now is, for example, or decentralized finance, right? You can look for decentralized finance and then get a quick look and quick overview of the market leaders and the market sector in general, right? So it will help us to do quick research, quick superficial research, that will then help us to go and dive deeper into certain projects that we think are interesting. Another example would be decentralized science, which is not in the top 100. I know that by heart, so we can go for decentralized science, look into here, and then we're like, oh yeah, looks interesting. For example, bio, I have that start already. We could look into this, for example, and then do some research and look into bio.xyz and basically go in and take a deeper look at what exactly they are doing, right? So Coingecko is the place to look up projects and tokens that are already established, and that in comparison to Dexscreener, where Dexscreener is the place to look at projects that just came out, and very early projects that you really can't see on Coingecko or you want more details on. Thank you all so much for listening and watching. Have fun using Coingecko, and I'll see you in the next video.